In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete content block Mailchimp tutorial. If you're working on an email and decide a section no longer fits, removing it is quick and clean. We'll walk through the exact action you need, explain what you'll see on screen, and share a few helpful pointers so you feel confident making edits without worry. Once you're in the email builder and your draft is open, start by selecting the content block you want to delete. A content block might be a text paragraph, an image, a button, a divider, or a product or social block. Basically, any individual section you dragged into your layout. Make sure you click directly on that block so it's the one that's highlighted. You'll usually notice a subtle outline or a shaded border around it, confirming that it's selected. This is important because the delete option only appears when a specific block is active. When the block is selected, a small context bar appears, usually near the block itself or along the side panel, depending on your screen size. On that bar, look for the trash icon. It typically looks like a small bin or can. If you don't see it right away, move your cursor slightly over the block and give it a second. The toolbar often appears on hover or when the block is clicked. This icon is your shortcut to removing the selected block, and it only applies to the one you've chosen, not the entire section or campaign. Go ahead and click the trash icon. The block is removed immediately, and your layout will reflow to close any empty space. That's it, the block is gone. If you clicked by mistake, don't panic. Use the undo option shown in the builder to bring the block back. It's a great safety net while you're fine-tuning your design. A few quick tips as you work. Be sure you're selecting the block itself and not the row or section that holds multiple blocks, so you delete exactly what you intend. If you're unsure about losing content, consider duplicating the block first so you have a backup to reference while you edit. And after making changes, give your email a quick preview to confirm everything still looks balanced across desktop and mobile. That's all there is to it. Select the content block, find the trash icon on the context bar, click it, and you're done. With this simple move, you can streamline your message, keep your layout clean, and stay focused on what matters most: sending a clear, polished email.